Hey guys, welcome back to Hike Oregon, and thank you so much for watching this Nomadic Box unboxing video. If you haven't watched my prior two reviews of the Nomadic Box, I will link those right here. And the awesome thing about today's video is that if you stay tuned to the end, there will be a giveaway for your very own Nomadic Box. So if you want to win a Nomadic Box, stay tuned to the end. But first I'm gonna open this box. So I'm super excited. I missed a couple summer months because I was away on various backpacking trips, so I didn't get any boxes over the summer, but I'm going to open this box. I think it's the October box that I have right here. So let's open this. I'm super excited. Don't mind the cat, he's very curious. Okay, so as always, Nomadic includes this little pamphlet here, this little booklet, where you have an overview of all of the brands and things that are inside. And then on the back, there's always a Nomadic challenge where you can participate in the challenge and possibly win a free box. So that's really cool. And then there's also brand discount codes, but I'm not gonna look at this because I don't want to spoil the surprise. Okay, so it looks like there is 1, 2, 3, 4 items. Wow, and they're all pretty big. So let's start with this guy here. It looks like this is a flashlight. Pretty heavy duty, it looks like. 250 lumens, 4 hours of like light time. Batteries included. Oh, whoa, I just turned that on into my eye. That is so bright, if you can see. Whoa, that is way brighter than I expected. Oh my God, I think I'm blind. Oh, my eyes. Oh my God, it should be like, don't shine this in your eye. So there's high, low, and strobe. Okay, so there's different, so that's high. That's strobe. Very interesting. So it's a tactical LED flashlight by Lux-Pro. Very cool. This is a really nice flashlight. Definitely something actually that I will probably keep in my car. I think having a good like car kit is just as important as having a good 10 essentials kit when you are hiking, because when you are going on some of these trips, sometimes you're going in the middle of nowhere, and if you run into car trouble or anything like that, or like if you're driving out and a tree is down over the road, I don't have a chainsaw in my car, so I'm gonna have to wait for someone to come. It could be nighttime. It's important to have stuff like blankets, maybe a snow shovel, extra food, extra water, stuff like that in your car. And a flashlight is also really important and can really be handy, especially if you have car trouble. So this actually is nice and small. I think it will end up living in my car. Okay, next I have, oh, how cool is this? It's a telescope. Oh my gosh, this is so fun. I'm so excited about this. This is the kind of thing that I would never buy for myself, but it's like really cool to have. Okay, so this is Echo 7x18 pocket scope. Okay, let's try this out. It comes with a little thing that you put it in. You can strap it on your belt or your backpack. And then it's really cute. It's super small. It's very, very lightweight. Does it have the weight on here? Nope, doesn't say the weight, but it's super, super lightweight. Perfect for hiking. Oh my gosh. I'm looking out the window and see like every single leaf over in my neighbor's yard. So I'm not sure what the different turning thing, okay, it goes in and out, but it's not like focusing when it goes in. So I don't actually really know how to use a telescope, so I'm gonna have to ask my husband. But this is so fun. I love this. Okay, and then the two other things are a little smaller. Here we have Survival Frog paracord laces. Paracord shoelace and fire starter. What? How and what? Okay, remove waterproof cap covering one of the shoelace flint rod ends. Strike the exposed flint rod with one of the included metal striker blades. What? This is so interesting. Oh, I see, it's on the shoelace. Okay, so if you see here the metal thing that's on the shoe, that goes on the shoelace. Oh, that's the striker blade, I think. And then the flint rod is on the shoelace. Yeah, so it's like the little plastic thing covering the end of the shoelace here. Very interesting. Okay, so these are just like normal shoelaces, but then they have this like survival thing built into them. That is very interesting, and I've never heard of such a thing. Oh, that's difficult. Man, this is like really difficult. I have not gotten a spark yet. Ah, there we go. Okay, well that's not easy. Definitely not as easy as some other flint rods that I have used, but maybe if you get all that black stuff off, it could be easier. It's also kind of hard to hold on to because the thing you hold on to is very small and then it goes to shoelace. So like to hold it steady is kind of difficult, but it's a cool idea. Probably wouldn't work with my trail runners as far as these shoelaces go. And I don't know how easily these like flint rod covers would come off, but I think it's a cool idea for sure. Okay, and then last but not least, I have a Nomadik pop socket. I think everyone knows what these are. They go on the back of your phone. You can like hold your phone and it's easier to hold your phone like that. I don't really have any use for this, but I know that my siblings use pop sockets all the time, so I will definitely gift this to them. Okay, so overall a pretty good box. Definitely not stuff that I would like buy for myself. Also, I have so much backpacking stuff that generally a lot of the items that come in boxes like this I don't really have much use for, or I already have them. But these boxes are awesome for people that are just starting out hiking because you end up getting a lot of gear every month for, you know, just a fraction of the cost that it would cost you time and money to go to REI and pick these things out. So for someone that's just starting out backpacking, or for someone that's looking for a great gift for an outdoorsy person, these boxes are absolutely awesome, and I have really enjoyed getting to open my Nomadic boxes. I will say very different than the Cairn box. I did have a 6-month Cairn subscription, so if you want to watch that, I will link that here. I was not too happy with Cairn, so I think this was a really cool and pretty unique box, honestly. I feel like they, especially in this box, they went a little away from like hiking and backpacking and more to like tactical stuff. Like I know someone going backpacking would not bring this flashlight because it's super heavy. And then same with like the shoelaces, they're a little bit heavy for someone that's, you know, doing some backpacking, stuff like that. However, the binocular, not heavy at all. This is super lightweight and actually a really fun thing, especially because there's wildlife out there and sometimes we don't get to see it because it's really far away. So it's really cool to be able to look through one of these and see stuff closer. I really like that. That I will definitely be putting in my day pack because it doesn't take up much space and it's super lightweight. If you want to get your very own subscription of the Nomadic Box, I will have that link below. And now to the giveaway. Okay, so it's super simple. I will have a link below. All you have to do is click on that link and fill out what it tells you to fill out. I think it's your name, your email address, just some really simple information that you need to fill out, and that will enter you into the giveaway. There's going to be 3 winners, so 3 people will win their very own Nomadic box. I think it's going to be either the November or the December box. I'm not exactly sure which one. Nomadic is holding the giveaway, so it doesn't actually go through me. It goes through Nomadic, and they'll email the winners and take care of all of that. The giveaway is going to go for 2 weeks from the posting of this video. So you have 2 weeks to enter. Go ahead and enter. There's gonna be 3 winners who are gonna win their very own Nomadic box, which is so awesome. And these boxes are so much fun. It's like getting a Christmas present every month. It's so fun. And like I said, this is a great gift to someone. Now is the time to get a, 6-month subscription maybe for a family member or friend for Christmas. So keep that in mind. Like I said, I will have that link below as well, so you can go ahead and get your very own Nomadic Box subscription. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. This was really fun to unbox. And like I said, I'll have the other 2 Nomadic Box unboxings linked below as well, so you can watch those and kind of get a feel for what comes in the boxes and how I like the items and stuff like that. I have gotten some pretty cool items in the Nomadic Box just from the 3 months that I have opened boxes. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to enter the giveaway, and I will catch you on the next adventure.